The world of virtual reality has been waiting for this moment. 4 months, rumors, leaks, and insider whispers pointed toward Meta preparing a major upgrade to its VR headset lineup. Now the day has finally arrived. Meta Quest 4 is officially here, and it's not just another step forward. It's shaping up to be a giant leap in consumer virtual reality. From the updated design to the jaw-dropping specifications, from the improved comfort to the next-gen display system, and of course the big question everyone has been asking, its price and release date. Everything about this headset tells us that Meta is going all in on making VR mainstream in 2025. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we're going to break down every single thing you need to know about the Meta Quest 4. We'll talk about the confirmed specs, the features that set it apart from the Quest 3, the expected release date, the pricing strategy, and why this headset might be the one that truly changes the VR industry. So, if you've been holding off on buying a new VR headset, wondering whether to wait for the next big leap, this deep dive into the Quest 4 is exactly what you need. Before diving into the specs of the Quest 4, it's important to look back at how we got here. Meta, formerly Facebook, has been investing billions into virtual and mixed reality. The Quest lineup has always represented the company's vision of standalone VR, headsets that don't require a powerful gaming PC or complicated setup. The original Oculus Quest back in 2019 was revolutionary. It untethered VR from the PC. The Quest 2 took things even further with a more affordable price and better performance, quickly becoming one of the best-selling headsets of all time. Then came the Quest Pro, which introduced advanced mixed reality features but at a price point that made it more of a niche product. Finally, the Quest 3 refined the formula with a slimmer profile, better displays, and improved tracking. Now, with the Meta Quest 4, we are seeing the true blending of all these lessons. Meta wants this device to be more than a gaming headset. It wants it to be a daily tool for work, fitness, communication, entertainment, and more. This is why the Quest 4 is being positioned not just as hardware but as the gateway into the future of the metaverse. One of the biggest complaints with previous VR headsets was comfort. Extended gaming sessions or productivity tasks often left users with headaches, heavy foreheads, or red marks across their faces. Meta seems to have addressed this directly with the Quest 4. The headset is noticeably slimmer than the Quest 3, thanks to new pancake lens technology and refined internal components. It's also lighter, making long sessions much easier. The strap system has been redesigned for better weight distribution. Meta has also made the headset more stylish, with a futuristic design that looks more like high-end tech gear than a bulky gadget. Another small but important upgrade is ventilation. The Quest 4 features improved thermal management, which helps keep the lenses from fogging and prevents the device from overheating during intense gameplay. The Meta Quest 4 introduces a next-gen display that pushes immersion to new heights. The dual displays now deliver 4K per eye resolution, providing sharper images and dramatically reducing the screen door effect that plagued earlier VR headsets. Colors are richer, blacks are deeper thanks to upgraded OLED panels, and the refresh rate has been bumped to 120 Hz native, ensuring smooth motion that feels natural and comfortable. Field of view is another major improvement. With a wider